All right, it's that time to go around and find all the knives that your wife has used in the kitchen that has dulled them by cutting vegetables or whatever, and you get extremely dull knives that won't even cut paper, right? It won't even slice anything, won't do anything. So that's what we're gonna take care of today with one of these. I just upgraded to a awesome knife sharpener. Honestly, I've never used one of these before, but it looks super easy. It's magnetic. So you just take the knife and you match it. The edge right here needs to be lined up with the knife's edge. So you match it up right there. You can kind of see how that is aligned. The really nice thing about this is you can change your angle. So there's a dial here. So it goes from 10 all the way up to 35 on the angle. Now I kind of like between 20 and 25 when I'm sharpening my knife. So we'll kind of leave it right there. It comes preset around at 25. So I'm going to leave it at 25. Then you have this right here, which is on this side, which is handy. It's a cap. It's a 400 grit right here, sanding stone, and then you have a polisher on the other side. And it also comes with another grinder on this side, just in case you need one when you need to replace this. So super easy, like I was saying, is you just take the knife right here and you just kind of put that in the middle of the weight, so the knife is in the weight, and you do rotations, and we're going to count them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm just doing 6 on that side. Flip it over like this and do 6 on this side right there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that is the perfect angle for this knife right here. And then we're going to polish it. So we're just going to polish it a couple times just to clean up those fine edges, those burrs. We'll go like this. You always want to go the same direction. You never want to go back and forth. So we're just going to polish that up, flip it around. This side, simple, just 5. And I'm only doing 5 because I really want to see the difference when I've actually done 5. All right. Take the same knife that we just sharpened and do the paper test. I love the paper test. Is it going to cut the paper with just 5 on each side? So right here, we're going to see. Well, look at that. Just really slices right through it. Isn't that awesome? Only 5. If I wanted to go more, I can. But I got a lot of knives to do, so I'm trying to dial it in, and 5 looks like that's really good. So now I am the knife hero of the kitchen. My wife's no longer gonna be bawling her eyes out when she does the onions, because she's gonna cut through them really super fast now. And we're no longer gonna have soggy sandwiches when we cut those tomatoes. They're not gonna be squished tomatoes. They're gonna be sliced, diced, and ready to go. So if you wanna step up your knife sharpening game, how easy was that? Super easy, really magnetic, and you can't go wrong with this luxury knife sharpener.